What's up, subscribers? Welcome back to the channel. In this video, we'll be talking about some updates for ChargePoint stock, trading under the ticker CHPT. But first, if you haven't already, be sure to subscribe so that you get notifications about our future videos talking about the stock market and personal finances. And while you're down there, if you haven't already, be sure to check out the links in the description to get your free shares of stock from Webull whenever you open and fund your account, as well as $10 of free Bitcoin from Coinbase whenever you open your account and make your first $100 purchase of cryptocurrency. And don't forget to smash that like button for the YouTube algorithm and to help support my channel. So grab a cup of coffee or your favorite beverage of choice, and let's jump into it. We last talked about ChargePoint stock here on my channel a few weeks ago. And since that time, ChargePoint stock has overall been pretty stagnant, trading within a range of $23 to $26 per share. Currently trading at around $24 per share at the time that I'm recording this video. But despite the minimal movement in the share price recently, analysts continue to believe that ChargePoint is a great long-term investment. Like this article just recently published on August 13th, in which the author stated that they believe ChargePoint has a ton of growth ahead of it over the coming years, with the EV charging company expected to have its market cap grow to at least $103 billion by 2028, citing that ChargePoint is well positioned to significantly accelerate its growth over the next 5 years, with the company expected to increase their charging ports from 32,000 in 2021 to over 425,000 by 2026, with the company in turn expected to grow their revenue to over $2 billion by 2026 as well. With ChargePoint's strong cash balance on its balance sheet, its leading position in North America, as well as its growing presence in Europe, and the fact that they expect their EBITDA margin to grow to 16% in 2026, all helping to fuel ChargePoint's growth into the future. And on top of all of that, the infrastructure bill will also help ChargePoint to continue to grow its business. In addition to the analysts' opinions, ChargePoint management recently announced some huge news for shareholders as well, announcing that ChargePoint acquired e-bus and commercial vehicle management provider ViriCiti to accelerate its fleet electrification. Acquiring ViriCiti for a total purchase price of approximately 75 million euros. With this acquisition expected to help ChargePoint to improve its technology, enhancing ChargePoint's portfolio of hardware, software, and services by integrating information sources to optimize its electric fleet operations, including battery management, charging station monitoring, as well as multiple other aspects of its business. So with all of that being said, what are my thoughts about ChargePoint as an investment? For those of you who have been following my channel for a while, you know that I love ChargePoint as a long-term investment, and I have been buying shares of the company over the past few months. But despite my opinion that ChargePoint has a lot of potential ahead of it, there are also risks when it comes to an investment in ChargePoint stock, such as the risk of shareholder dilution if the company needs to raise additional capital to help fund its growth, as well as the risk of other competition, especially from some of the larger companies like Tesla. So for those reasons, although I do believe that ChargePoint has a lot of opportunity ahead of it, right now I can't honestly say that I'm adding additional shares to my portfolio. Rather, I plan to continue to hold my position. But if we do see some continued weakness in the share price, and it were to pull back to $20 per share, or even less than that, then I would definitely pick up some additional shares to add to my position. But just remember, my videos are never medical or financial advice. They're merely me researching a company and talking about my opinions about that company based on my research. An investment in ChargePoint, like an investment in any company, comes with risks. So if you're thinking about investing in ChargePoint, make sure you're doing your own research before you make any financial decisions. What are your thoughts about ChargePoint? Are you invested in ChargePoint? Are you thinking about investing in CHPT? Where do you think the share price is going over both the short term and the long term? Be sure to comment down below and let me know what you think. And while you're down there, if there are any other stocks or topics that you would like me to talk about in a future video, please feel free to comment that down below as well. As a reminder, this video is for entertainment purposes only. I am not a certified financial planner. I'm a resident physician with an interest in personal finances and investing. Please make sure you're doing your own research before you make any financial decisions. And please be sure to smash that like button and click on the subscribe button for the YouTube algorithm and to help support my channel. Thanks everyone. Have a great day.